What's up, babes? Welcome in. Listen, y'all, we are in my closet, aka beauty room. Excuse the background. It's a little bit disheveled right now. But guess what? I got some good news, though. I got some good news because your girl is excited. Hubby finally took the measurements, and this entire wall of all of this mess stuff. I know I often say I'm not getting no more stuff, but you know, thanks to you good people, I get a lot of PR packages and stuff, and that's where most of it come from. So I will definitely be using it because that's why it's here. But look, anyway, back to the wall. This whole wall. This entire wall. All of this over there, over here, all the way up, down, is going to be shelves, and I'll be able to organize more effectively. And this little table desk, I've been looking for like something to go by my bedside. To, you know, have as a nightstand or some kind of little dresser or something. But I think I'll just redo this desk. That way I can repurpose it. I don't have to spend any money. Well, you know, a little money just to repurpose it to whatever I want it to be. But I'm excited about that. But he probably won't do that or get started on that until after Thanksgiving. But we excited about that. So I'm happy. I'm so happy. And y'all, I started using some new products last night. And I want to thank MAＥLYS for partnering with me on this portion of today's video. Y'all, I think this is going to be a good thing for me. Yes, I received this box of goodies, and baby, I was very, very happy. So let me just share the unboxing of the goodies I received from MAELYS. That's MAELYS. Now listen, I will have everything in the description box for you. So this is just a sample size of the Be Tight, and here I received a thank you note from MAELYS, and I want to thank them again for partnering with me. I was very much interested in these amazing goodies that they carry with this line, and I am so super excited about this. So when I opened the box, the first thing I saw was this Be Flat Belly Firming Cream. The packaging is clean, sleek, and it feels sturdy in my hands. And honey, it's said to be a smooth, lightweight formula, so I am looking forward to that. And then I have the Be Tight Lift and Firm Booty Mask. Oh man, this jar is bright and fun. And honey, it is said to be a silky formula. This is going to be interesting, y'all, because I've been definitely having some concerns about, you know, the backside, cause girl, yeah, over 60, girl, we need to tighten up. So this is probably what I needed, okay? And then I got the Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Body Whip. Now this container has that calming nighttime feel. Yes, this is going to be something special. So I'll be using this nightly, and we're gonna see what it do. Now all three of these products came packaged beautifully, each one with its own unique texture, scent, and vibe. I look forward to it. Belly, booty, and handling my dreamy curves at night, honey. This is exactly what I need. So thank you so much, MAELYS, for the package. I will be updating y'all on the goodness of these in a future video, so stay tuned. But in the meantime and in between time, y'all can check out the link in the description box. Okay. But anywho, sometime this week, I'm definitely going to be doing some more styling videos. I am right now, again, still going through so much of my stuff. I pulled out my navy blues. I got grays over here. And what do you call this color? Is this beige? And y'all, I was going through my scarves. And I have so much stuff. I have been selling Avon for so long. But I was going through some of my stuff. And this scarf here, oh my gosh, it is super long and nice. But I've had it for a while. But it is so nice. And I was like, oh my goodness, I need to like style it up with something. So that's why I have it over here. I have it over here with that. But, you know, it'll go great with like brown and the beige as well. So I got this out. And funny, look, this purse, I've had it forever too. This is Avon. Y'all, they don't make this good stuff like this anymore. They don't. So I believe all of this came. I also have a like a tote bag as well. I mean, it's so cute. This is a fit. And like I told y'all, I have so much stuff. It is so wild. I know I'm over 60 now, but girl, I am truly blessed. I am. So I'm excited to get started on the fashion stuff this week. So I had planned on bleaching my hair today, but I don't feel like it. Yesterday I chilled out all day. I laid out all day because I said I just need to take a break. I have been posting regularly. I have been responding to comments. I'm going to finish up on that today. I have definitely, you know, done my part in trying to get things going again on the channels. So she's going to chill out a little bit. But when I was doing my fashion try on, y'all, I'm like, girl, that double chin is doubling. Y'all, I'm so crazy. But I had to get out my little chin help here, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. Still kind of doing some things for me as far as self-care. Y'all know this little thing is amazing. Ooh, and I turn up on the highest, so you may see my face jiggle and shake a little bit because it's going to town. Y'all see that? Oh yeah. And this little thing is a double chin slimming device. Y'all, it takes a minute, but after a little while you'll be noticing a difference in your chin, but you can actually feel it because it's got several settings on there. I usually put it in the auto mode where it just goes through each one of the little processes. I can just sit and read a book, sleep, watch TV, or do chores while it's doing its thing, okay? And it's an adjustable strap so you can fit any head. But this particular one may not be available, but I'm pretty sure there are so many more like this on Amazon, and I'll be sure to link it down in the description box for you. And you know you can find them on Amazon. I will go ahead and drop a link down below in the description box. This one I don't think is available anymore, but they do have some for you. But anyway, I just wanted to pop in for a brief moment, and I think that's all I need to talk about in this little segment here. But we got a lot of little stuff going on that I'm excited about. I am. Y'all, excuse me. This is not going to work with me chatting and using this. But anyway, I'm out of here.
Ain't no spell, ain't no trick. It's just that woman's magic. Yeah, come on now. She don't chase nobody. She don't beg no love. She know her worth. She's lifted up above. Got that soft and that strong. She's the perfect mix. When she looks your way, boy, your heartbeat skips. She ain't got to say a word. Her presence speaks. Got that power in her walk, that truth when she speaks. You can't box her in.